What's going on YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Today I'm gonna show you how I transform my living room to something modern, something beautiful. As you can see, this is pretty ugly, old, and a white boring wall to this one, shiny. As you can see now, the lighting is different, the nice ceiling drop, and the decor extraordinary, and the centerpiece table. All those details gonna be in this video. I'm gonna show you step by step how I do that, from the wall molding to the lighting on the wall, the flooring, from day one. It only took me 2 months, 2 easy months. So let's see step by step how to do that, guys. As you know, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I don't want you to miss the next coming video. But if you're already a member, you are happy to stay. We have more video coming like this, and you will enjoy it step by step. So let's get started. Day one. First thing first, clean up. Remove everything you have in the area, and you cut your baseboard. You remove your flooring, or if you want, you can sand it. But for me, I find this one was pretty old. I want to put like a brand new one, the modern one, and make it more beautiful. So I got my flooring out. Now I'm gonna install my new floor, and all that, guys. I put a video. I'm gonna have the link down to check it out, because I show you how to remove the flooring and also install the flooring. There's two separate videos down the description below to see how I do it. Then the beauty part of this is changing the whole color of the room, because it was a pretty boring white one. So I try to add some more more color, make it beautiful. You can change, you can put any color you want. It all depends to what you're looking for as a decor, what you're looking for, what's your favorite color is. Whatever it is, you can go for it. I tried to go with a beige one, but it's fit pretty good with my living room and my decor, so that's why I go for it. So don't be shy to change whatever you want in your room, and if you can get some extra help, that could be also a key. Here my painting only halfway to the wall, so because I'm gonna put some molding down, so I keep it simple. Just change the color up there, and also as you can see, I put like a green tape just to keep the line. So I also take the measurement where the tape should be, because I don't want it to be all like up and down. What I'm saying, I want it to be straight, so I keep it like that. So again, guys, so alright, finish my painting. Now I remove the tape. As you can see, it's lined up really nice and beautiful. Already you can see a change in the room. Remove that boring white. Now I have some beige and white. Second thing I'm doing right now, it's removing redo the trimming of my window. As you can see here, I remove all those. I'm gonna fill that with some caulking, and then add in new trimming, make the windows look beautiful. And if you're living in a country where you have the full 4 seasons, so it's good to fill up the gap, because you don't want to have any rain or any water, any snow, anything during the winter time specifically. So you have to fill those gaps with some caulking, and then add the trim, make it beautiful. So while you finish to add the caulking and the trim, you have to fill up the gap also with your silicone, and then you're good to go. Whatever color you want to use, depend to your trim color, you're good to add that too. Most important thing is make some decor, some molding, some panel on my wall. So this video, guys, it's awesome. And again, take me time to build those, and the measurement is important when you're doing it. And you can see the finish, it's crazy, it's beautiful. And I try to use the same molding as well as the windows. So now look at the finish of my wall panel. I do have a video also. The video is listed down right here into the description below. Go ahead and check it out, guys, how I did that. Most importantly, you need to have like a plan. You have to, put it down on a piece of paper or wherever you want to do it. So, and take the measurement. You have to know a lot, so don't just go and build some wall panel without making the plan. So you have to plan that ahead of time, and then you have to go take your measurement, make it really nice. And if you can use a laser to light them up beautiful, that could be a good option, because if you want it to be look beautiful as it is right here, you have to take time to do it. You have to level it. You have to really focus on the measurement. That's the important. That's the beauty of carpenter and also design in your room to make it beautiful. So just go ahead, check the video. I have all the details down right here, so check the description below and you're gonna be able to see the video. You can just click up there right here on your left side. You can see the link. Just if you wanna visualize that, just go for it. So next gonna be a floating shelf. So floating shelves, I'm gonna use a 2x6 I have on my garage. Again, as you can see, I have a lot of wood, and I always, I love keeping, woods in my garage, because I always have a project to do and also for some clients. So let's get started. As you can see, I got 3 nice floating shelves here, and again, this one have a video and post it down to the description below. I'm gonna use a pocket jig to put that on the wall and magically turn that to a white color. And the beautiful part of this is the side, the nice red arc side I put on the shelf, which is make it beautiful. As you can see here, nice, it's beautiful, it's matching the floor color. The decor is important. You have to know how to do that and what it's gonna be. So if you enjoyed that, guys, go check the description and go check the video upstairs, and also check the weights of the shelf. So you can even stand on them if you want. So depend, however you are. So, me, I can. But anyway, yeah. So let's back to the video. So I got my 3 shelves on, and I'm gonna make some decor. As you can see here, check the weight and make sure that you all stand properly. It's heavy. You can put anything on it, and that's it. One more thing done for this room, almost done. We have a few more things to do before we put our furniture on. Beautiful walls, not even boring anymore, so we can go ahead and do that. So now I'm gonna do what we call a floating light. Floating light is something I saw, one of my favorite YouTubers did on YouTube, and I tried to copy the exact same thing, but I modified it. So if you want to see that, just go in the description below, check the link, and I can show you how I do my lighting. Look at that, matching the wall, and the same material I use for my floating shelves, I use the same thing for this. And at night I don't have to use my electricity. I can lighten up my room with this light. Look at that. And also movable. I can change position or wherever I want. I can even bring it to my bedroom. So wherever you want to put that light, it's a floating light. You can move it around and make it beautiful on your wall. There you go, guys. So that's one of the best projects I've done on this room. And next, it's the major one. You guys won't believe how I did that. So my wall, my ceiling, really ugly, boring, nothing you can look out of, but I'm gonna transform that to something beautiful. I'm gonna do like a 3-step floating shelf way here, right now. Let's get started. Check that out. This is the design I'm gonna build. Gonna a little bit modify that, but just to have an idea how the center gonna be, where I'm gonna put it, and how I should do it. So I'm gonna put the video Again, into the description below, if you want to see how I do that, just go down there and check it out, or click on your white top corner here. You can see this video. Really beautiful. I do every single thing of that one, from the painting to the lighting, so just go check it out. And the finish gonna just look beautiful, you can even imagine. And this is a major change for the living room. I can't even believe in my eyes. Muy bonito. A thumbs up. I know you like it. Just go ahead, guys, click that video and give it a thumbs up, give it a like. And this room is like that. Look at right now, after 1.5 months, we're not done yet, but we going forward. We're moving with some new project. Before we put anything in this room, we wanted to make it beautiful, modern, sensational. Can be nice. Give it a thumbs up, turn on the bell, it's important. So far we halfway there. I don't know, I would say we 75% way there, so almost done. One thing we have to do, I would say the last thing, because I'm getting tired after 2 months doing that, I'm just gonna add some decor on the wall and also see how the look gonna be for my TV. I'm gonna add a little bit of single shelf way here, way now. So simple. And again, for this one, I do have a video to show you guys how to build that shelf, and the finish is like this. So I think we're all done now. Look where we had from this room to that one. Magic. Eyes popping out. It's crazy, guys. The major change. We changed all the furniture. We also changed, the life of the room. So we give that another light, another, feeling when you're sitting there watching your TV. It seems like, ooh, that's nice. So, guys, there's more coming up, and there's major change we did for different room in this house, and you can't believe how beautiful is change and how valuable the room become just because of those change. And I always said that if you're a DIY like me, don't forget to spend money on your valuable thing, which is your house, because any money you spend on this house gonna increase the value. You don't lose money when you spend in your house for your renovation, your decor, or anything related to your house. Just go ahead and do it. So lighting on the wall, lighting on the floor, lighting on the ceiling, it's the magic of this room, especially at night when you put some blue light and some LED light on the ceiling, or your pot light, or the centerpiece light up there. It's magic. So again, for the ceiling or the table, every single thing you have here, guys, I'm gonna post those videos into the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I want to tell you something. I want to see this channel grow up. I want to see it go really far forward. You know why? Because I enjoy posting new things for you. I enjoy helping. Same thing other people help me. I want to share those knowledge, those ideas, those tricks and tips I have from DIY to you guys. I want to pass all of them to you. I got a lot in my head, and I know you guys also enjoy watching those videos. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me help you make a change in your room. If you have some boring living room like this one and you want to change it to something modern like that, don't forget to leave me a comment, guys. I will always happy to answer your comments and also to give you ideas. And if you want to share some beautiful idea, beautiful thought, man, you're welcome. I'm really happy to learn, and we all learn every day. And believe me, I'm with you for a long period of time on this channel. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.